What's the difference between an indeterminate tomato and a determinant tomato? I'm Melissa from Rooted Home and Garden. I'm going to tell you exactly that. Let's start with the determinant tomato. Those are bush form, not vining form necessarily. They grow about 3 to 4 feet tall. They produce most of their fruit all at the same time. It's usually about a 2 to 3 week period. So for those people who like to do one big batch of harvesting and canning, this is the perfect tomato for you. Unlike the vining variety, they don't need a big trellis to hold them. A tomato cage usually works just fine. These types of tomatoes don't get pruned because if you prune them, you're going to be cutting off your harvest. Now, what's an indeterminate tomato? Indeterminate tomatoes are tomatoes that actually grow on a vine. They will grow, flower, and fruit all the way until frost. Your harvest isn't going to be as big and large as your determinate tomatoes harvest, but you'll be able to harvest fruit throughout the entire season. Indeterminate tomatoes are perfect for trellis setup. Because they are vining, they need that vertical support. The indeterminate tomatoes do need to be pruned. You want to make sure the energy is going toward the fruit, not the green. So make sure you're pruning enough green off the plant to make sure that all the energy is going into the fruit. Indeterminate tomatoes can get anywhere between 6 to 10 feet tall, maybe 12 feet tall, and like I said, they'll just keep on growing. There's no right or wrong answer whether you buy determinate or indeterminate. It's based on personal opinion, setup, time, and space. All right, hope this was helpful. Have a good day.